All right, today I have a 2018 Toyota Highlander, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the parking brake on this particular vehicle. If you find the video helpful to you at all, can you please give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. As you can see, I'm sitting behind the steering wheel, and I'm going to show you where the parking brake, how to turn it on and off, okay? The vehicle's currently in park. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look down towards the feet. Let me open the door so you can see a little bit better. And as you can see down towards the feet, there is this lever or this pedal right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my foot. I tend to keep my foot on the brake while I do this. And then I'm going to take my foot and I'm just going to press that left one all the way down the lever, and it's all the way in there. And when I do that, you can see right here that the parking light comes on, meaning the parking brake is applied. All right, now to turn it off, I'm just gonna simply come back down, bound down by where the feet are, find that pedal again. You see that pedal up in there, up in there? I'm gonna take my foot, I'm gonna press it, and then press it in, and then release it, and it comes up like that, and the parking brake light turns off. All right, that's how you turn on and off the parking brake on a 2018 Toyota Highlander. Thanks a lot for watching. Can you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel?